because you still personal training, you're in the transition, you still gonna have to get up at 4 o'clock. So I'm getting up at 4 o'clock, even if I ain't got training at 4 o'clock. I'm like, I have to train myself to get back up at 4 o'clock. And I mean, this is just after like a few months, right? I had to train myself to get back up at 4 o'clock. So now that I'm back up at 4 o'clock, I'm moving, I'm grinding, I'm hustling, I'm doing what I need to do, and I'm getting back ahead of the game. But I'm trying to tell you that like, that's easier said than done. And what typically happens is we let that fall, right? We let it slip. We go from 4, we go to 5, we go to 6, we go to 7. Now it's 8 o'clock in the morning, boy, you waking up just like 99% of the world is. You see what I'm saying? Like you back at 8, 9 o'clock, you waking up like just like 99% of the world is now. So now you move from being here to there, right? So now you gotta re-elevate the hustle. So you gotta go back and re-elevate the hustle. So we all have to start looking back at the structure. I personally, it ain't about everybody else, but I personally had to go back and rehash the structure. So I'm like, let's rehash the structure. Why you getting up 6, 7 o'clock in the morning now? Like you getting back to the 99%. You moving away from the 1% and you getting back to the 99%. You're like, it's great that you're trying to build business and you're doing all these good things. Like, that's great. But what you're not doing is you're not doing the thing that gave you the success at first.